I feel like an island girl. Blah, 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 blah. Hello guys, it is your girl Jasmine Fox back at it again for another video. Okay, giving you Caribbean vibes. Today y'all, I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize, refresh, and retain length, okay, in these DIY goddess box braids that I did. I've had these box braids in for about almost 3 weeks now, okay, so it was definitely time to refresh them because as you can see they definitely needed some refreshing, okay? A lot of us, once our braids start getting old, we're like, okay, it's ready to chop them, take them out. But I'm gonna show you guys how I just refreshed like about 7-8 braids. So simple, and it looks like my hair was just done, okay? If you guys want to see how I'm retaining length in these braids, what I'm doing to moisturize my hair, keep that hair growing, okay, then I advise you to continue. Sit down, sit back, relax, and watch the video, okay? And if you have not, okay, checked out the previous video that I uploaded doing my mom's box braids for the first time, then I advise y'all to watch that video if you're really considering doing some DIY braids, because that was, honest to God, my first time, and they turned out awesome, thank God. So yes guys, I will see you in a little bit. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next clip, okay? Alright guys, so we're starting off on pre-washed but busted hair, okay? I'm just showing y'all a twist that I had taken out a few days ago. So to refresh these braids, I'm going to start off by spritzing my hair with some water, and then I'm going to take a homemade shea butter balm that I make and apply that on my roots just to keep them sleek and to calm down some of that frizz, okay? And this also serves to keep my scalp very soothed and hydrated and moisturized as well. So next I'm going to apply my homemade moisture cream. Y'all know I love this stuff, okay? And I'm just going to apply that on my ends and all throughout my hair just to ensure that my hair is moisturized, conditioned, and hydrated, okay? Looking juicy. So now I'm just using my soft bristle brush to calm down those frizzies, and I am using the rubber band method with this braiding technique, y'all. So you know, also I wanted to point out, if you see any type of white buildup, all of that's going to dry clear. That's just a sign that them curls are moisturized, okay? That's what we want. So I showed my braiding technique in much more greater detail in my previous video of me doing my mom's box braids. Like I said, we are using the crocheting needle to do this, and I'm just going to slide that through that braid horizontally and then pull that braiding hair on through. It's very simple. And then I take one side of that braiding hair and pull it through, and as you can see, we're left with 3 parts, so it looks like I'm braiding my own natural hair. And then I just braid that bad boy on down. Now the only difference with these braids is that I am leaving out some of my natural hair. So whenever I feel led to, I just take out like one clump or one little tiny strand of my hair and toss that on back and then continue to braid. And as you can see, it looks very seamless. It's just sticking out very neatly and really cute, okay? So I only pull out maybe about 3 maximum curls on each braid, but I don't go past that because then it's going to look a little crazy, all right? Okay guys, so as you can see, I've just completed that front braid. It looks so much just shinier, juicier, everything, okay? So as you can see, compared to the rest of my hair, this one definitely looks really good. And I'm just going to continue to do that to just a few braids, just picking and seeing where exactly it needs to be refreshed, okay? What am I saying? So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Don't go nowhere. So in these next clips, I just wanted to show y'all that I'm extremely gentle when I am taking out my braids and detangling my natural hair to avoid as much shedding as possible. So when I come across any type of knots, that's what my moisturizing cream is for. It glides those knots away, and I really rely on finger detangling, okay? So just remember to always be gentle so that you are retaining that length, all right? Length check. Okay, you see that? What the heck? Hold on. I don't think my hair was that long to my belly button. I don't know. I really don't know. And then y'all, my comb is finally used at the very end of the process. And keep in mind that is a wide tooth comb, y'all, okay? So decrease shedding, decrease shedding. Okay. Thank the Lord, y'all. Okay, I'm finally done. I had to do about like 8. Like I predicted, I definitely was not about to redo my whole head, but just those certain points, like the edges, really needed to be redone. And as you can see, it just looks so much better. So yeah, as far as that goes, y'all, I'm gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow morning so you can see the finished result. Edges laid, ends wavy, more weight, you know, curls out and defined, all that good stuff. I'll show y'all tomorrow morning, okay? But as of right now, it's late, okay? It's getting late, so I'm gonna drink my tea and call it a night. So it's the next day. As you can see, I already have laid my edges looking real juicy, nice and fresh. Okay, I also already boiled my ends, and all I do to make my ends wavy is braid the bottom half of my hair very loosely and then dip it in the hot water and then take it on out. If you leave it in too long, it might turn too crinkly, so I take the braid out as soon as I'm done boiling it, so it'll be nice and wavy and, you know, give us a more boho goddess look. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I freshen my hair, make all where you see those frizzy parts, my hair curly and juicy looking and all that good stuff. I'm going to be using my water and my cream and some of the shea butter mix as well if needed. And this is also somewhat... Hey, Jawan! I hope y'all can hear him. What I'm doing right now, refreshing my curls and all that good stuff, is basically the same thing, like I said, I do in the morning time and at night. The reason why I say at night is because typically when I work out, it's evening time, and then I take my shower at night, and then I moisturize my hair every time I get out the shower. So this is what I do to retain moisture and length. So I start with my spray bottle, and I'm going to give my hair just a little spritz, okay? A light spritz, not too much, okay? I'm going to go in with my moisture cream, okay? Like about that much. And I'm going to apply this on my curls, okay? From the very root where they're sticking out to all throughout. And what this is going to do is define my curls and make sure that they are looking juicy and not frizzy, okay? I'm going to go in with some of the shea butter and put that on my curls as well, okay? Not a lot, just focusing on those ends. And this is keeping my hair moisturized and hydrated as it is locked up, because I can't just neglect my hair. A lot of times, you know, people with braids, they think, you know, yes, it is a great way to retain length, but you can't just neglect your hair and expect it to be retaining healthy length, okay? Because we know that growth is involuntary, but what we want is healthy growth so that it lasts, it doesn't break off. So you have to make sure you're moisturizing your hair, whether it's in a protective style or not. I am a firm believer in moisturizing. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do the same exact thing on this side of my hair, so let's get it done, okay? So like I said guys, I'm just going to be bouncing back and forth between my moisture cream, my shea butter balm, and an oil that I'm actually going to show y'all later on in the video. And I also do this same technique on my ends. I didn't really show that too much in this video for some reason, but I apply my cream to my ends and oil and everything because my hair does go down majority to the length of the braid, which is crazy. So I have to moisturize the entire braid, okay, from root to tip. Again, these back ones we're hiding, okay, we're finessing the look, okay. So you know, some of these back ones I did not fix, but it's okay, they're gonna blend in. Okay guys, so I just finished applying my moisture cream and shea butter mix all to my curls, and as you can see, no more frizz and stuff like that. Remember, it's my natural hair, so my curls are going to swell up once they dry, because right now they're kind of really blending into my hair. But of course, as my hair dries, my curls will be much more fluffier and more noticeable in the braids, so it's not like they're blending in. And then this is my little side curl that I keep out on the side like that. So the last thing I'm going to do is apply my oil. This is sunflower oil and castor oil mixed together, okay. Apply some of that oil, and this is going to enhance that shine and lock in those curls. And again, I'm not trying to rub too much down my hair. Only on those older braids I'll rub down them, but for the most part we just want to kind of not frizz it out too much. Don't mind this, y'all. Actually, I forgot about this and I really was trying to hide it. This is a braid that I took out a few days ago and I never rebraided it, and I forgot about it last night and I didn't have time to do it today. So I actually have 2 of those within my head. So I'm gonna do to keep this from obstructing the view is do a little twisty on it. Y'all don't tell nobody and I won't. If you want more curls, or if you don't want to leave your natural hair out, what I originally did for like the first few days with my braids was use this free tress braid go-go curl, 26 inches in the color 1B, okay. So I originally had the fake curls in my head, but they were starting to tangle up with my natural hair and I didn't really feel like it was really needed. What happened was I looked online, y'all, and this girl who does goddess braids, she was saying, you know, how everybody wants the, you know, goddess look with the curls out, but the synthetic curls, they tangle up after a while and it's just, they get really natted up. So she was saying how you really need to use human hair if you want that kind of look to avoid tangling. So I was like, okay, this is human hair, my hair, so I'm just gonna leave my curls out. So hey, it worked out. I love it, and that's all that matters, okay. So these are the 3 things that I use to retain the moisture in my hair and therefore retain length. This is what it is looking like. As you can see, those are what my ends look like. You know, it's awesome, y'all. I encourage you to do it, especially if you're natural and you love protective styles. I'm just trying to figure out when I'm gonna see my curls again, because I feel like I should miss my curls more than I do. I do miss my curls, but it is great to have a break and not have to do your hair. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and enjoyed this look. I encourage y'all to give it a try because I'm absolutely in love with them, and I'm so happy I just freshen them up so I can make them last even longer, okay. I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all so much. God bless, and continue to have a wonderful summer. For those of you who are heading back to school, give it a try, okay. All right, so I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video, okay. Bye guys.